Step into the 2008 Ford F-150. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Ford prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Come down to our dealership. Allow us to demonstrate our commitment to excellence.